Oh, hey guys. So yeah, today's Sunday, and yesterday I did a little bit of recording. Yesterday I had a work function, which was on a catamaran out in the bay. Now I've got some footage of that, and what I'm going to do through this video is I'm going to kind of break it up. So I'll come back and forth between, I guess you could call it, recordings, and kind of explain to you guys what you're seeing, because what I realised is that throughout the day yesterday I was recording things, but I wasn't really commentating on what I was doing or where I was. So just at the start here, you'll see me sailing, and then we'll move on to the next one after that. Sorry for so many interruptions though.
Hey, I'm so nervous. This is really scary.
I'm fairly agile.
We're going on the boat.
What do you there?
Ahoy!
Yeah.
So it's Saturday and we are on a boat. I'm on a boat, yeah. Oh, whatever. You know that song. I know that song. So we're in the middle of Port Phillip Bay, I think. Are we? Is that right? Oh yeah. We're heading out that way anyway. But yeah, I'm driving. I'm driving the boat, and there's the control information there. And I'm not going to crash it, so that's good.
Mark, how's you going?
Oi, hey, mateys.
Is that what you have to say if you're a captain? Ahoy! Is that part of the test?
I think it's part of the crew.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so that was me sailing with the work guys, and it was awesome fun. I got to drive the boat and everything, as you saw. Highly recommend if you get the opportunity to do something like that, do it. You'll learn heaps about driving a boat, and it's just so much fun as well. So what you're going to see next is myself and Lauren walking from where the boat launched all the way through to South Bank, which is probably about a 5 to 6k walk. And I'm going to show you a couple of things that you can see on South Bank. Now, there's heaps more little things like this, all little sideshows on the South Bank, all entertainers. There'll be some music, maybe jugglers. There'll be some like cool circus magician acts and general stuff. You'll see some of it. A lot of the main stuff was packed up because we only got off the boat a little bit later in the afternoon. So check it out.
Yeah, that would be good too, but then people either have to
Okay, so we're at Federation Square, which is on the edge of the city, and the noise you can hear in the background is actually all the bells.
very pretty.
Very pretty?
Yeah.
It's pretty loud. I hope you guys can hear them, because then you'll be able to hear what I'm talking about. Alright, so that's just a little bit of South Bank. Like I said, a lot of the stuff is packed up, but now we're going to move on to the Melbourne YouTubers. First of all, I just like to say thank you for everyone at the Melbourne YouTubers group for being so friendly and welcoming. It was really cool to catch up with all you. I didn't do too much recording of while I was in there with the group. It was merely me just trying to get to know everyone first. So a little bit of footage here, and then I'll tail off the video with me having a little bit of discussion with you guys on, and I want you guys to comment on what I say, and you'll hear me. I'll actually tell you to do that. But yeah, sorry for the bad quality. I didn't realise the camera at the end of the day was pointing so far out the window, and you'll only have me on the side of your screen, but that's cool. I leave you with a little bit of a sunset, kind of nice sky. Take it easy. Take it easy. We finally found the YouTubers, and they were not in the place where we thought they'd be, but we found them after walking.
I reckon we walked like 6 kilometres.
Walked about 6 k's.
In uncomfortable shoes.
We're going to go down, we're going to try and get down and say hello. You found it, Lauren?
Yeah.
Alright, we found it, we finally got down the bottom. So, here is everyone.
Ah! It's you!
It's me.
Hi.
How you going? Hey guys, so yeah, it's been a good day. As you saw, we went sailing earlier today, and then we met up with the Melbourne YouTubers group, which was cool. I got to meet some cool people. But I guess the one thing, whoa, there's some bumpy road. The one thing I struggled with is far out. The one thing this is ridiculous. The one thing I struggled with at the start of getting there was breaking the ice. I mean, introducing myself. I haven't come across the point recently where I've had to introduce myself to new people, and if I have, I've been introduced to them by either Lauren or another friend. So I've gone to this group and I've gone to meet them and say hello. But I mean, I didn't know anyone, so I didn't know how to break the ice and how to say hello. And look, I mean, I honestly put this down to me pushing myself into a corner for so long and playing games. Obviously, I mean, in my first vlog, I said that. But yeah, is there an easy way to introduce yourself to people? Is there an easy way to break the ice and say, "Hey, I'm Mark. How you going?" But look, after a while, it was fine. I got to introduce myself and I got chatting, and look, they're really cool people. But it just took me a while to really get comfortable with the scene I was in. So look, if you have a cool way to break the ice, even if it's just like a stupid line, let me know. Leave it in the comment section down below, or leave a video response, and I'll check them out.